We got some weather moving in, so I had to hang everything inside the shop. Well, I'm making some progress on the grinder. I got some painting done today, some grinding. Uh, yeah, what I'm finding now is I need to find some more small hardware. So, yeah, I gotta pick up another pack of this. I really need to check the battery before I start recording. So, basically, I've got my power cable. But basically, yeah, I just got that little bit there to finish up with, and then we'll put the new wheels on it, and yeah, I'll have me a nice Craftsman grinder to go with my Craftsman drill press. And I think I'm going to look for one of them milling vices, because this thing is really stout, and I might get a what do you call them, a milling bit, to just see if this will work. I'll probably have to see what kind of chuck I'll need for it also. But yeah, we'll look around. But yeah, this is going to turn out pretty good, I think. I'm going to call this here. Thanks for watching.